थोड़ा जल्दी
ऐसे ही
उठा।
नहीं खाए।
अच्छा,
मैम खाना बन गया है।
okay, fine. Good morning, students. We are covering the second lesson of geography. Okay, and today we will try to understand the topic, the conservation of biodiversity. Okay, now let us have a look. Okay, why the conservation of biodiversity is necessary. See, conservation of natural vegetation, and wildlife and wildlife is necessary for three main reasons. For three reasons. What are these three reasons? If you've gone through the content, you'll let me know. तीन कारण।
Genies, ecological balance, biodiversity.
Yes, the first one is genes. Okay. Now,
Yes.
okay, as far as the conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife is concerned, okay, conservation of these is important for mainly three reasons. Among the first reason, what we see is the genes. Okay, now what we understand from the genes, we see that all the varieties of agricultural crops, all the varieties, जितने भी हमारे कृषि पौधे हैं, all the okay varieties of agricultural crops okay are genetically linked. ये जो है जेनेटिकली लिंक्ड होते हैं। जैसे कि हम कहते हैं ना बच्चे को कि जीन्स में आया होगा। अगर माता पिता जो है इंटेलिजेंट हैं और बच्चा जो है इंटेलिजेंट हो जाता है तो हम कहते हैं कि जीन्स में आया होगा। चूंकि माँ बाप जो है इंटेलिजेंट है इसलिए बच्चा भी जो है वो इंटेलिजेंट है। ठीक है ना। सो वी सी दैट ऑल द वेराइटीज ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चरल क्रॉप्स दे आर जेनेटिकली लिंक्ड टू देयर वाइल्ड स्पीसीज। genetically linked to their wild species. And where are these wild species found? These wild species are found in the forests. Okay. Now, okay, since these wild species are found in the forest, so preservation and protection of these are very essential. Okay. So, okay, we see that preservation and protection of these is essential. There are many students, okay, who are maintaining the contents. Preservation and protection of these is essential. तो अगर हम जो जंगली जो प्रजातियां हैं, ठीक है ना, जो बहुत सारे जो खाद्य पौधे हैं, ठीक है ना, उनके जो जंगली प्रजातियां हैं, अगर उनको हम संरक्षित नहीं करेंगे, उनको अगर हम बचाएंगे नहीं, तो आगे चल के जो है हमें दिक्कत होगी नई वैरायटी, नई ब्रीड जो है तैयार करने में। ओके, आप देखते होंगे कि पेड़ पौधों की जो है खास करके जो रोज प्लांट्स होते हैं, यू सी द रोज प्लांट्स दे आर ओके प्रिपेयर्ड थ्रू स्टेम कटिंग। ठीक है ना, नई नई जो वेराइटीज होते हैं प्लांट्स के वो जो है थ्रू स्टेम कटिंग एंड ग्राफ्टिंग किए जाते हैं। Okay, two different plants. You see in one single flower pot, you see different colors of flowers are blooming. How is it done? Okay, ये कैसे होता है? दो अलग अलग रंगों के फूल को लिया जाता है और उनके जो पौधे होते हैं उनकी स्टेम कटिंग करके उसकी ग्राफ्टिंग कर दी जाती है। And what we see in a single plant, you will see different colors of flowers. Okay, and different types of fruits, different types of fruits. Last year I saw in one of the newspapers, okay, there was a breed which was prepared from what? Plum and mango. ठीक है ना, जामुन और आम दोनों को मिक्स करके जो है ओके बनाया गया था। एंड द कलर ऑफ द मैंगो वाज पर्पलिश but the taste was that of a mango. Okay, so we see that the wild species, they need to be protected, they need to be preserved in order to prepare new varieties of okay agricultural plants. Okay, so this is one reason. Now the second reason, see, ecological balance. when we are talking about ecological balance, have a look. As far as the ecological balance is concerned, we see that human beings have upset the delicate balance. Okay? Human beings, okay, with their activities, with their activities have disturbed the ecological balance. Now we see that the plants, they are dependent upon the animals, okay, and the animals, they are dependent upon the plants. We see that each and every organism is interdependent on each other, and this is our ecosystem. Okay, the interdependence, it is a system in which we see that living organisms, they are interacting with their physical and the chemical environment. Okay, and in doing so in this interaction, what they are doing, they are maintaining the ecological balance. Okay, सो व्हाट वी सी इज, आप देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे जानवर जो हैं वो फ्रूट्स कंज्यूम करते हैं. ओके, द फ्रूट्स दैट हैड गॉट ripened and they are falling down. Or you can take the case of the monkeys. Okay, they are consuming the fruits that are there on the trees, and when they are excreting their waste, we see that most of the seeds, okay, are coming out through their in their excreta, and this is how, okay, new seeds are getting new seeds are the seeds that are coming out through the excreta are converting into new plants. And what we see is that this ecological balance is being maintained. The smaller organisms are being consumed by the larger ones, the bigger ones, and this is how, okay, the ecosystem and the ecological balance is maintained. But human beings, what they are doing, due to their activities, they have disturbed and upset the ecological balance, and as such we see there is too much of pollution. This has led to what? This has led to, okay, pollution, destruction of natural habitats. Okay, the disturbance of this has led to pollution and destruction of natural habitats of the organisms. हम जो हैं जानवरों को जो है उनके आवास से निकाल दे रहे हैं, आवासीय क्षेत्रों से निकाल दे रहे हैं, और मजबूरन ये जानवर जो हैं शहरों में घूम रहे हैं, ओके, गांव में घूम रहे हैं, सड़कों पे घूम रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि इनके नेचुरल हैबिटेट को हमने इनसे ले लिया है. एंड एज सच, ओके, दिस इज क्रिएटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस इटसेल्फ. Okay, so human beings should think this wise and they should try to maintain the ecological balance. Now, the third point is biodiversity. Now, let us try to understand what is biodiversity. As far as the biodiversity is concerned, we see that the conservation is necessary to prevent the loss of, okay, biodiversity, which is one of the major concern as already stated under poaching. Okay. Now, what do you mean by biodiversity? Biodiversity से हम क्या समझते हैं? Yes. Anybody? What do you mean by biodiversity? Yes, students. Biodiversity से हम क्या समझते हैं? Now see what is biodiversity. What we see is that the distribution of
Loss of biodiversity, species in plants and animals.
okay, the distribution of vegetation, ये जो प्राकृतिक वनस्पति हमारे पृथ्वी पे हैं, ओके, हाँ बेटा, हाँ बोलो, what you want to say? Okay, we see that the distribution of vegetation, okay, the distribution, why is this noise coming? Who is this? किसके सिस्टम में दिक्कत है? Unnecessary sound हो रहा है, हाँ? The distribution of vegetation on earth, we see that the distribution of vegetation on earth varies both latitudinally and longitudinally. Okay, अलग अलग लैटिट्यूड्स में और अलग अलग लॉन्गिट्यूड्स में आप देखेंगे कि अलग अलग प्राकृतिक वनस्पति पाए जाते हैं. Okay, due to what? Due to variation in climatic conditions. Due to variation in climatic conditions, जलवायु में परिवर्तन की वजह से, ओके, या जलवायु में असमानताओं की वजह से हम देख रहे हैं कि ओके, अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में, पृथ्वी के अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में जो है लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूडिनली अलग अलग प्राकृतिक वनस्पतियां पाई जा रही हैं. ओके, now what we see is such a great variation within the species, ecosystem, okay, biome, etc. is known as biodiversity. इसी वेरिएशन को, ये जो वेरिएशन जो पाया जा रहा है हमारे पृथ्वी पे इन चीजों में, ओके, प्राकृतिक वनस्पतियों में, जीव जंतुओं में, ओके, इसको हम बायोडाइवर्सिटी कहते हैं. विदिन द स्पीसीज, the ecosystem, and biome, okay, is called biodiversity. ठीक है, so now you have understood what is biodiversity. Now what we see, due to the human activities, due to these human activities, this biodiversity is getting disturbed. Okay, due to human activities, what we see is, okay, many of the species of plants and animals, they have got extinct. बहुत सारे जो है पेड़ पौधों की जो प्रजातियां हैं, जीव जंतुओं के जो प्रजातियां हैं, वो लुप्त हो गए हैं. ओके, हम देख रहे हैं कि एक समय में जो है डायनासोर्स पाए जाते हैं, बट आज के डेट में देयर इज नो, ओके, existence of the dinosaurs, the dodo or the mammoth and rest of the animals which were present earlier. Okay, so what we see is that these are the three main reasons why the conservation of the biodiversity is very much essential. Okay, if we will not conserve them in the future, we will have to struggle a lot for our existence, for our survival. ओके, क्लास 8 के बुक में आप लोग अगर इंग्लिश पढ़ रहे होंगे तो आप आगे चल के या अभी पढ़ रहे होंगे जोडी हैड अ फॉन. ओके, देयर इज अ चैप्टर जोडी हैड अ फॉन, एंड इन दैट चैप्टर यू सी जोडीज फादर, ही इज किलिंग अ डो, ही इज किलिंग अ डियर, ओके, एंड टेकिंग आउट द डियर्स व्हाट, ओके, he is taking out the deer's body parts to survive. He was bitten by a rattlesnake, और उनको रैटल स्नेक का पॉइजन जो है चढ़ जाता है, और उससे अपने आप को बचाने के लिए जो है वो उस हिरन को मार के जो है उसके ऑर्गन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपने आप को सरवाइव करने के लिए. तो हम देख रहे हैं कि ओके, द इंटरडिपेंडेंस ऑफ द ह्यूमन बींग्स ऑन द प्लांट्स एंड द एनिमल्स इज वेरी मच एसेंशियल, and when this interdependence is there, the conservation also should be done. Now let us have a look. Yesterday we went through the conservation measures. Let us have a quick recap of all the conservation measures one by one. See, means of conservation. So conservation of wildlife and resources is wildlife resources and natural vegetation is important. Which was the first point? Yes, tell me anybody.
Awareness program.
Okay.
Ma'am, awareness program.
Awareness programs.
Awareness programs. Awareness programs में क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, like a Vana Mahotsava.
One Mahotsav.
What is Van Mahotsav? Huh? What is Van Mahotsav?
Village and communicative labor.
What is Van Mahotsav, beta? Yesterday I told you. Tree plant. Yes, tree plantation week is observed. ठीक है ना? During Van Mahotsav,
Yes,
tree plantation week is observed. The school children are motivated to plant trees. Okay. और इस अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम के तहत जो है हम लोगों को जागरूक करते हैं अपने पर्यावरण के प्रति, अपने आसपास के वातावरण के प्रति, कि उसको बचा के रखें, उसको प्रदूषित ना करें. The second point. What was the second point?
Institutional measure.
Under institutional measures, what we see?
Project Tiger will launch the project protects the tiger.
Where are these tigers found? रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर कहाँ पाए जाते हैं?
West Bengal.
Sundarban.
Bengal.
Okay, institutional measures should be taken by the government. Should be taken by the government. My word is echoing. Now tell me, how many biosphere reserves we have in our country? हाँ, कितने biosphere reserves हैं? How many biosphere reserves are there in our country? हाँ?
Ma'am,
7.
I'm 6.
Look at the board. Look at the board. हाँ? सबके सब बदमाश हो गए हो, कंटेंट भेजे थे पढ़े नहीं हो. हाँ? Biosphere reserves 18 हैं. There are 18 biosphere reserves in our country. National parks 102. Okay. Wildlife sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuaries. Have a look. As far as the wildlife sanctuaries are concerned, we see all over the country there are 514 wildlife sanctuaries. 514 wildlife sanctuaries. Okay. And then you have, okay, conservation reserves. Conservation reserves. कितने हैं? How many conservation reserves? How many conservation reserves are there? 48. Community reserves. Community reserves. How many community reserves? 4.
49.
4. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tiger reserves. The places where the tigers are protected. 39. It is 39. Elephant reserves.
मैम 32.
Yes. आप देखे हैं लोग, इसके पहले नहीं देखे थे लोग. हाँ, ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन आपको देके फायदा क्या जब आप बताते नहीं हो? हाँ, आपको अपने देश के बारे में पता होना चाहिए ना कि आपके देश में कितने जो है बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स हैं, नेशनल पार्क्स हैं. व्हाट आर बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स? बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स हम किसे कहते हैं? हाँ, what do you mean by a biosphere reserve? It is there in your geography book. Have a look. Have a look. Geography book, biosphere reserves. What are biosphere reserves? These are series of protected areas. These are series linked through a global network intended to demonstrate the relation
between conversation and
okay बेटा गो थ्रू
Yes,
योर बुक जब
ma'am.
तक आप बुक की रीडिंग नहीं करेंगे क्लास अटेंड करने में कोई मजा नहीं आएगा ओके इन ऑर्डर टू understand the classes online classes live classes you have to go through the book
between conversation and development.
this is Piyush Tripathi okay which is the third point
And community
under community
initiatives.
initiatives what we studied Muskan community initiative में हमने क्या समझा था
मैम हम बताएं
हाँ बताओ
मैम बिश्नोइस इन राजस्थान
हाँ Bisnois in Rajasthan they have made an effort to what they have made an effort to protect the environment through preparing what a forest area amid the desert ठीक है ना मरुस्थल के बीच जो है उन्होंने एक क्षेत्र तैयार किया है और उस क्षेत्र को वो प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं जहाँ पे हरियाली है ठीक है ना ओके द विश्नोइज ऑफ राजस्थान द विश्नोइज ऑफ राजस्थान ओके what they have done have maintained they have maintained vast areas okay they have maintained vast areas of forest cover मरुस्थल में जो है जंगल की कल्पना करना अपने आप में जो है ओके सपने जैसा है बट ऐसा संभव किया है उन्होंने ओके थ्रू देयर एफर्ट्स ओके ये उनका सामुदायिक प्रयास है कम्युनिटी इनिशिएटिव ओके पूरा विश्नोई समुदाय जो है इसमें लगा हुआ है ओके ताकि मरुस्थल में भी जो है हरियाली हो सके ओके एंड द फोर्थ पॉइंट व्हाट वाज द फोर्थ पॉइंट
Ma'am, international
conventions okay and one of the important international conventions is what we have studied about sites के बारे में आपके बुक में है okay this is there in your book sites the convention on international endangered species okay endangered species of wild fauna and flora then the other one was what Ramsar convention okay sites was there
then more than 5,600 species of animal
yes
2028
what is Ramsar convention anybody Ramsar convention क्या था we did this yesterday Ramsar convention
where fresh water and saline water meet are called
wetlands okay wetlands है जहाँ पे saline water और fresh water मिल सकता है those areas need to be protected and through Ramsar convention on wetlands okay these areas are being protected where a number of species are surviving plant species and animal species both then the other one was what the other one was what yes
International Conservation and Regulation of Whales.
yes it was international convention on regulation of whales international convention on regulation of whales okay convention on why this was initiated
whale and
in order to protect the hunting of whales ना हाँ whales का जो है शिकार रोकने के लिए जो है इसको किया गया है okay now the other point
yes
let us go through the other point which we were not able to complete yesterday the other point is this have a look UNFCCC okay
Yes, ma'am.
UNFCCC what is the full form Anybody?
Ma'am, United National Framework on Climate Change.
Yes, this is United Nation, okay, framework on climate change. What is the motive of this? Piyush, what is the motive of UNFFCC? Your voice is not coming clear, Piyush. Check your audio. Huh? UNFFCC?
Yes, ma'am.
Since global warming caused by human activities,
Okay. There is a ban. There is a ban on what? हमारे वातावरण को प्रदूषित करने वाला सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एलिमेंट क्या है? हाँ? It is CFC. It is chlorofluorocarbons.
Chlorofluorocarbon.
Yes. It is chlorofluorocarbons. There is a ban on chlorofluorocarbons emission. Okay? और ये कैसे निकलते हैं? क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स वातावरण में कैसे पहुंचते हैं? बताओ.
Through plants sprays.
refrigerator.
Yes, through the use of, जब रेफ्रिजरेटर का प्रयोग आप करते हैं, ठीक है ना? हाँ?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a ban on
Refrigerator, paints or sprays.
from the
कार्बन
and air condition.
yes.
Air condition.
You have studied in your GK book. क्लास 7 में आप लोग GK बुक में क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स के बारे में पढ़े होंगे, या फिर 8 के ही GK बुक में है अभी. ओके? Chemicals, harmful chemicals from the use of chemicals in paints. Okay? Then what is there? Sprays. बहुत सारे sprays का हम प्रयोग करते हैं. Yes, refrigerator में
And air conditioner.
Yes, refrigerators and air conditioners. Whenever we are using this, okay, we are getting a comfortable environment inside our house, inside our rooms, but we are creating a lot of air pollution. We are creating a lot of air pollution because these, okay, electronic items, they are emitting huge amount of chlorofluorocarbons in the atmosphere. Okay, and this CFC is responsible for global warming. It is also responsible for global warming. So we see that United Nations framework on climate change, it has been established to check the emission of chlorofluorocarbons, okay, from the use of these things. Now see the last point, what it was?
National.
National. Okay. राष्ट्रीय. नेशनल का मतलब राष्ट्रीय होगा, घरेलू नहीं होगा. घरेलू को डोमेस्टिक कहेंगे. Okay. The government of India has enacted forest laws and established national parks and biosphere reserves. Some of the special projects like Project Tiger have saved the tiger from extinction. Anti-pollution legislations have also been passed by the countries. Okay, anti-pollution legislations. Crow is also attending the class, doing cow. Anti-pollution legislations have been passed, okay, by many countries. One step you can say, इस फील्ड में आप एक जो है इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप बता सकते हैं, द यूज ऑफ व्हीकल्स. Nowadays the government is promoting what? As far as the use of vehicles is concerned, vehicles को चलाने के लिए हम किस चीज का प्रयोग करते हैं?
Forest lawn.
No.
Ma'am, national.
हाँ समझ रहे हैं. व्हीकल्स को चलाने के लिए किस चीज का प्रयोग किया जाता है?
Petrol and diesel.
Petrol.
So what is being promoted in place of petrol and diesel? CNG. CNG is being promoted. Okay, CNG is being promoted in place of petrol and diesel. आपको पता होगा ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर में अगर आप थोड़ा भी अगर नॉलेज रखते होंगे तो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग दैट B4 व्हीकल्स, BS4 व्हीकल्स जो पेट्रोल और डीजल का प्रयोग कर रही थी, ओके, अब उनको हटाया जा रहा है और इसके बदले जो है ऐसे व्हीकल्स को ओके प्रमोट किया जा रहा है जो कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं. कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस CNG. ओके, दिस इज बीइंग यूज्ड. And what is biodiesel? What do you know about biodiesel? Any idea about this? This is also a eco-friendly fuel. Biodiesel जो है eco-friendly fuel है. आपको पता है किस पौधे से पाया जाता है ये बायोडीजल?
जत्रोपा.
Yes, it is the जत्रोपा प्लांट. ठीक है ना, जत्रोपा के जो पौधे होते हैं उससे हमें बायोडीजल मिलता है और ये बायोडीजल जो है इको फ्रेंडली फ्यूल है. इट इज अ वेरी इको फ्रेंडली फ्यूल एंड इट हैज लेस ऑफ ओके pollution when we are using this fuel. Okay, it is creating less of air pollution, and so we see that these are the measures that are being taken by the countries at different levels, okay, to protect the biodiversity, to conserve the natural vegetation and the wildlife resources. Now 2 questions are there in your book, have a look. Okay, one question, the content that I have sent you, in the content there were 2 questions. One was name some migratory birds. Okay, one question was name some migratory birds. What is the answer? What are migratory birds? पीयूष, migratory birds से हम क्या समझते हैं?
The birds from other land. Birds of other places.
Small bird
This
migrate.
question is there. See,
Orange.
name some migratory birds.
A small bird migrate the longest distance.
Yes, that is the Arctic tern. Okay, see, migratory birds, okay, are the birds, okay, which migrate, are the birds which migrate, okay, to distant land, to distant lands, to what? To protect themselves, or we can say for favorable living conditions. ठीक है ना, आवश्यकता से अधिक जब ठंड गिरने लगती है तो आप देखते हैं कि साइबेरियन क्रेन्स, ठीक है ना, for favorable living conditions we see that the Siberian cranes they migrate to our country. बहुत ही ज्यादा संख्या में हम देखते हैं कि साइबेरियन क्रेन्स जो है सुरहा ताल में आती है. ओके, ठंडी के मौसम में जो है सुरहा ताल में आप साइबेरियन क्रेन्स को देख सकते हैं. सो यू सी दे आर माइग्रेटिंग ऑल द वे फ्रॉम साइबेरिया, all the way from Siberia to India. Okay, so these are the birds. Okay, some of the birds are, who is this making a lot of noise? Some of the birds are, write it down, Siberian crane.
ठाकुर यशवंत सिंह.
हाँ बेटा, क्या कह रहे हो?
मैम ब्लू थ्रोट.
Grey owl. Okay, it is the grey owl. Then you have the songbird. Okay, Arctic tern. Arctic tern आपके बुक में दिया गया है. Arctic tern is there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have waxwing. Waxwing एक चिड़िया है, ये भी माइग्रेट करती है. Then you have cold tit. Cold tit is a bird which migrates. और एक बोले थे ब्लू, क्या बोले थे बेटा? somebody told something. हाँ, blue throat. हाँ,
Blue kingfisher.
हाँ,
Ma'am, kingfisher.
Yes, ma'am.
kingfisher. Okay, so we see
क्वेश्चन किस पेज में है?
it was there in the content. जो content मैंने आपको पढ़ने के लिए भेजा था उसमें था ये. Name some migratory birds. Okay, so some migratory birds, okay, which migrate to distant lands for favorable living conditions are Siberian crane, grey owl, songbird, Arctic tern, waxwing, coal-tit, blue throat, and sternide. Okay, now one more question was there. Okay, name 10 countries with deforestation rate. एक और क्वेश्चन था आपका. हाँ, which are the top 10 countries? Okay, go through the content. If I write the question, it will be delayed. Okay, top 10 countries with high deforestation rate. Okay, the answer is C.
Canada.
It is Russia. You have Russia, then Brazil. Okay, Canada,
America.
United States,
China.
United
China.
States of America,
China.
okay,
China.
then
Australia.
China,
Australia.
Congo, बोर्ड दिखाई दे रहा है क्या जी? इंडोनेशिया, okay, okay, and the last one, Peru. Okay, so you see the last one is Peru. These are the 10 countries. These are the 10 countries which has high deforestation rate. यहाँ पे जिस हिसाब से जंगलों की सफाई की जा रही है, okay, वो बहुत ही it is a condemnable. Okay, we shouldn't be clearing the forest area. The forest area are the natural habitats of the plants and the animals, so they need to be protected. Okay, and we see that 13.7 million hectare, 13.7 million hectare of land has been cleared.